Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's keep up our analysis of the gold market. Actually, here the pullback finally has started from the confluence resistance that we have suggested. And the situation very similar to the euro currency, except maybe the moment that gold stand more confident compares to euro. So pullback here is much smaller than on the euro, and on the intraday chart, gold breaks nothing. Actually, natural performance that should follow if euro currency wasn't able to complete necessary targets to start the pullback in a proper way. Gold market has completed these targets last week, and actually overall pullback has started, well, actually how it should start. So meantime, as euro currency, as gold market is flirting with the MACD predictor line, and as we are considering taking the long position, theoretically, appearing of the grabber here, this might be one of the patterns that we have to pay attention to. So it's at least something to watch for. Although still on the intraday charts, it seems that retracement should be slightly deeper than we have it right now. But still, let's see what will happen. Maybe some statistics will be released, or some other events could happen. In general, if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that market finally started this drop, although we talked about the possible upward breakout, but we intended to use with the stop buying order about the XOP. So you can see that this hasn't happened, so market hasn't shown any challenge of the XOP, and that's why from that standpoint everything good. So if even you have used the stop buy order, it stand unfilled and you could currently cancel it. So instead of that, market still start the downside action based on divergence and resistance that we have. So as we said, we here actually returning back to observation of the two levels. First one is market stands right now, 1770. Next one is a confluence. As I said in the weekly report, this is more preferable level to consider, just because it is stronger. In 1750, 1759, confluence agrees with the previous local tops here. Here's a natural support in general exists, and it's just more reliable in providing chance to take the position with a small risk, placing just below the confluence. And here we do not have a lot of tools to calculate downside target for a pullback. Mostly we could use ABCD that has formed here. It's difficult to call as a hand and shoulders in performance. Probably it would be better to consider regardless cheaply to sell. That has started downward action, and with this ABCD, market hits the OP right there, turning to some pennant consolidation. This is another reason, guys, why I think that theoretically it should be another leg down. This market forming the pennant pattern. So besides, I do not see any reasons to hurry up with the position taking. This pullback just has started, and XOP stands 1763. Additionally, classical approach to calculation downside target based on the channel that we have here, sideways channel, points on the same XOP, while using so-called DeMark approach for calculation of the downside target of the breakout. Usually it follows, stands as follows. So you take the action from top to bottom on the channel, and in the moment of the breakout you calculate it to the downside. So it points at the 1755. This area very accurately coincides with confluence support. So that's why it's, well, I think that the primary area that we should keep an eye on and see what will happen around it. So currently I do not want to be hurry up with the taking the position by far, and just let's see how situation will develop.